Okay, so we are going to discuss actually two chapters. Now, we will try to discuss the cell for this afternoon. No, tomorrow, I wanted kasi nga i-discuss yung epithelial cell ng face-to-face. No, because it is, I think, easier for you to understand if yung first na na cell, na tissue type is discussed face-to-face. Okay? That's why also na kaya ko i-give up ito na discussion, i-online natin because you have been studying this chapter, no? This kind of topic for the longest time. Umpisa pa mo elementary, hangtod nag-high school, gipa-drawing mo aning 3D, 2D, no? Dapat memorize na ninyo ang basic structure of the cell. Okay? So history would indicate that Robert Hooke used a microscope to examine a thin slice na dead plant cells, eventually leading na nakakita siya na siya mga square nga mga boxes nga nakita. And eventually, they named them cells because they look like the small rooms that monks live in noon. Okay, murag iristaran sa mga monghe sa karaang panahon. Okay, don't take a screenshot. I will send the PPT later after the discussion. Eventually, Anton van Leeuwenhoek naman discovered the first which you will be we will be discussing in parasitology. He is the responsible person to see a living organism. An organism, you will know unsa na siya nga organism later on, and you will be amazed na iyaha po ng sample. Okay? So, mabalaan na to na when we will study parasitology on Friday, And eventually, there is already the development of the first microscope during 1673. Okay? So, etc., German botanist Schleiden, etc., mga zoologists. So you just have to read this one because it was only an enumeration of what really happened. Okay? Si Rodolphe Virchow, siya ang mga nakadiscover doon sa tinatawag natin ngayon na cell division. Okay? So he reasoned that all cells come from other pre-existing cells by cell division. Ibig sabihin, nagkakaroon ng tissue galing sa pagdi-divide-divide ng isang cell. Okay? So, ano yung cell theory? So, ang cell theory that all living things are made of cells and that cells are the basic unit of structure or life. It's the basic unit of life. Can you just imagine that this has been a question in a medical board exam? What is the basic unit of life? Pang medicine ha? Grabe na gyud kung mamali ka. So it was the cells. Okay? Without cells, wala ko'y life. Okay? So all of the things inside our body has a cell. Okay? So the first cells that has been discovered, or the first cells, will always be somehow they relate it to the prokaryotes. The prokaryotes, sila yung wala. Okay? Walang nucleus. They are cells that does not have a nucleus. Paulit-ulit yan. Because yung merong nucleus or yung may true nucleus that are, yun yung mga eukaryotes. Okay? So, nuclear region contains the DNA, and eventually this contains ribosomes in their cytoplasm to make proteins. Okay? So, yung eukaryotes, yan yung mga dinrowing nyo nung high school pa kayo. Na merong mitochondria, na merong nucleus, nucleolus, RER, smooth ER. Diba? Gipa-drawing mo, ana, during your high school. Ano gid ko, mo pusta gid ko nga gidrawing gyud na ninyo tong high school kay dili gyud na mawala nga activity. Ang uban gani kay gipabuhat pa sa kanang 3D model. I don't know if you've been given with that, So dili na ta mag-project anang 3D model, What actually kaning cells are just a review. Okay? So eukaryotic cell, remember meron siyang three major parts. You have the nucleus, the cell membrane, and the cytoplasm with the organelles. So kung karon wa pagyapon ka naibalaan, ang nucleus mao na siya ang powerhouse, mao na siya ang nagahatag o siya ang nagadikta. Okay? Siya ang nagaingon kung unsay buhaton ani nga cell. No, ang cell membrane mao na siya nagaprotect sa imuhang cell, and ang cytoplasm mao na siya ang tubig kung asa nagalutaw-lutaw ang imuhang organelles. Asa man ang organelles dire? No? These are the organelles. Okay? Ito yung mga organelles mo. Kanang yellow diha, mao na siya ang tubig kung asa nagalutaw-lutaw. No, that is your cytoplasm. Okay? Kani siya, this is your nucleus. Maybe we have a good picture next slides. No? Yan. So, yung organelles naman, it has different types, it has different functions. Wala bisag isa sa ilaha na iba ang pangalan, same ang trabaho. Okay? Iba-iba silang pangalan, iba-iba po silang function. Okay? For our quiz tomorrow, ay, madayon di ang quiz, ugma, Doc? Yes. Now, we will have the quiz tomorrow after the lecture in epithelial tissue. Okay? So, naapay lecture ugma ha. Mag face-to-face ta ugma. Wala na ko'y ganap ugma. So, we will be having the lecture tomorrow face-to-face to all sections A, B, and C before we will have our quiz. Okay? So, magle-lecture muna ng 30 minutes, tapos ng 45 minutes, then magkakaroon ng quiz for 45 minutes. Okay? So, para at least, dili mo man. Okay, for organelles, no? These are small, no? And they are found always in the cytoplasm. So, iisa-isa yan. Bibilisan lang natin to. Yung plasma membrane naman, remember the keyword of plasma membrane, it's bilipid layer. Okay? No? It's lipid bilayer or bilipid layer. Depende na kung saan nga libro inyong basahon. Pero ang pinaka-sound yun diya is lipid bilayer. Okay? So ngano unsay pasabot anang lipid bilayer, Doc? It only means nga ang imuhang kani, no, kani this lipid naa siya hydrophobic and hydrophilic na parts. Kaning sa taas, kaning sa gawas, mao na siya ang hydrophobic. Ang sa sulod nga kaning murag tiil, mao na siya ang ilahang hydrophilic. Hydrophobic, no, fats na siya. So ibig sabihin, ang makasulod lang diha katong pang fats lang pod. Okay? Kay dili sulod diri ang tubig. Ngano man, Dok, kung makasulod di ang tubig, Dok, dili siya maayo para sa cell, dili. Kay ngano man, musulod ang tubig sa imuhang cell, mubuto ang imuhang cell kay mapuno man siya, no? Madaghan ang tubig sa sulod. So dili nato ganahan nga ang cell mapuno og tubig sa sulod. That's why God made it so nga ang imuhang border, no, mao na siya ang gate sa inyong balay, pangontra na siya sa masasamang loob like your to water. Okay? Water is kaya hydrophobic, dili kasulod. So mag-bounce off lang na siya. Just like your fats. Okay? Kasi pang fats to siya. So unsa lang man, Dok, ang makasulod, Dok? Fats. Okay? Some organisms na naay fats or some products na naay fats. Okay? So phospholipids, no? Yung hydrophilic, they attract water. Hydrophobic, they repel water. Okay? So remember ha, so kung tatanungin ka sa exam, it's lipid bilayer, no? So two sides, meron kang taas, meron kang baba. Ano yung parts ng hydrophobic? It's the glycerol head. Ano naman yung sa baba? It's fatty acid, yung hydrophilic. Dok, fatty man siya, Dok, but it's an acid. Okay? So, yung acid, madali siyang matunaw sa water as compared doon sa glycerol lang. Okay? So, another image, no, scene, meron ka ditong lipid, no, phospholipid bilayer. So, meron pa dito, meron pa loob. Kani, nga naman naa may bilog diri sa sulod, Dok? Kay di ba, anak ka nga, ang gate lang man kay para dili ka sulod. Para kaning tubig diri sa sulod nga daan, nga built-in, dili ka gawas. Okay? Nagets ninyo ang point? So, bawal mo sulod, bawal mo gawas. Okay? So, that's the purpose of your lipid bilayer. So, Dok, karon, Dok, kung kailangan di ay nato ang murag tubig, Dok, unsay next ni mga buhaton? So para makasulod, God made it so, no? Nagibuhatan niya gate kung kinsa lang tong pwede pasudlon nga dili kaagi didto sa imuhang gate. Okay, naa kay guard. Katong guard mo na ginatawag nato na cell membrane proteins. Sila lang ang makaingon kung pasudlon ka or dili sa imuhang cell. Okay? So naa siya klase-klase, no? Naa siya klase-klase. So again, we are going to discuss, no? First, the nucleus. It contains DNA. Dapat ngayon pa lang alam na alam nyo yung meaning ng DNA. Deoxyribonucleic acid, no? Deoxyribonucleic acid, no? Yung RNA, ribonucleic acid. Okay? So you study the basic concepts about DNA and RNA, ha? So lalabas yan sa exam bukas. So this one is bounded by a nuclear envelope. So naapod siya covering nga iya, ha? Okay? So unsa pa man, no? Each cell has fixed number of chromosomes. So dili pwede nga ang isa ka cell naa siya 48, ang isa ka cell naa siya 49. So nakadepende. Okay? Nuclear envelope, no? Mao ni siya again, it has a different na type as compared to your cytoplasm, to your cell membrane. Okay? So Doc, kung ang imuhang cell membrane naa siya integral proteins which will serve as a guard, unsa man pod ang ginagamit sa imuhang nuclear envelope or nuclear membrane? It's the nuclear pores. Okay? Diha mo sulod og diha mo gawas ang mga kailangan mo sulod og gawas sa imuhang nucleus. Okay? So unsay makita nato sa sulod sa nucleus? It's the DNA, no? And ang DNA nato usually condense and wrap around to form chromosomes. Okay? Lahi ang chromosomes, lahi ang DNA, lahi ang chromatin. Ang chromatin mao na siya ang buhok nga wala pagi sambid-sambid. Unsa na kanang murag gibuhat gud ninyo nga sa buhok ninyo, no? Nga na murag nang magburakay mo, no? Gitalabi unsa na, no? Sa term ninyo ana, oy? Basta kana.
Braids.
Gi-braid. Oh. Kanang gi-braid ninyo
Sa lapid, oh.
sa lapid, no? Ang chromatin kanang buhok ninyo nga gubot na mo na siya. Kung sa lapido na siya, mahimo na siyang chromosome. Okay? So ang chromosome nimo, makita lang na nimo siya sa DNA. Ha? Basin ugma la, chromatin. Ha, dili, ang chromatin ang sabog, ang tarong ang chromosomes. Okay? So unsa ang purpose sa imong DNA? No, mao gani na di ba sa mga teleserye, ang DNA nimo naga-determine kung kalahi ba mo, ka-family ba mo, no, kapatid ba mo, tagapagmana ba ka, no? Depende na unsay purpose anang DNA, no? Pero ang DNA gyud is nagadepende, no, it's a hereditary material. So that's why if ang papa nimo na ay cancer, dako ang chance nga ikaw pud magka-cancer because you got the DNA of your mother and your father. Dili pwede, ay, dili na ko na siya amahan, kay wa man ko na niya giatipan. Dili pwede, no? Wala man na nag-different ang imong DNA. Okay? Remember ninyo, wala nag-change ang inyong DNA bisag wala kagiartipan sa imong papa. Okay? Because it's hereditary. So, sa may buhaton ako, Dok, mapadialysis ko, Dok, para matanggal. Every part of your body, it contains DNA, even your hair. So unsa man mapakalbo ka, magpatanggal kag panit sa imong lawas, dili gyud mawala ang DNA. Even kanang pisik lang sa imong laway kung mag-lecture or mag-recitation ka, naa na siya DNA. Okay? Nucleolus, no? It is just the more functional part of the nucleus that makes proteins. Okay? Yung cytoskeleton naman, siya yung parang, let's say, skeleton, no? Siya yung nagsiserve na dili mo kuyos o dili mo dako ang imuhang cell. Okay? Ingana, just take it as that simple. Okay? You study about the differences kung unsa ang microtubules ug unsa ang microfilaments. It looks the same but it has a different function. Kasi yung filaments maliliit, yung tubules malalaki. Okay? Centrioles, no? Found in animal cells, no? Sa humans, no? Wala, kung mugawa sa true or false sa exam ugma, centrioles cannot be found in humans because it is only in animal cells. Remember, even though we are humans, we are still animals. Okay? So, do we have centrioles? Yes, we have centrioles. Okay? So, kung lalabas sa exam bukas, no, walang kamatayang powerhouse of the cell, it's the mitochondria. Singular is mitochondrion. Okay? So, tomorrow, I am going to discuss to you, no, it's already 4:50, so, sabi ko nga, we will end at 4:50. Tomorrow, I am going to tell you how does this mitochondrion functions as the powerhouse. Nganong mas importante or kapareho silang importansya sa imuhang nucleus. Okay? So I'm going to upload the slide in our Google Classroom, okay? So that you would study the PowerPoint presentation, you study chapter 1 and chapter 2. Okay? So you study the book, you study the PowerPoint, it might come out also in the exam. We will have the lecture tomorrow on epithelial cells, no? And we will have a short discussion about the remaining parts of this lecture. Okay? So don't worry, we will have a face-to-face tomorrow. No, just take this as a brief introduction of the cells. Kasi yung cells naman, paulit-ulit lang naman yan. Okay? Wala naman tayong magagawa. Cells pa rin yan. Yung last year mo na cells, same lang naman yung this year na cells. Okay? So, I will take this chance, no, to say that you need to study. So yung ganito pala na setup, no, for example, mag-online ta ha. Ayan, hindi ang setup. Basi makuratan mo. Hala, unfair do ka. Ang section A lang per may lecture ng dili. Dili ang setup. For example, karon ng week, nag-online ta, kamo ang onlinean. Ang duha ka section ang matanaw lang sa YouTube. Next week, in case nga mag-online, sila ang section B na pud ang ma-lecturan, kamo na pud ang maka-free time og watch on YouTube. Okay? Kaya basin mo ingon mo lo, wala naman na wala naman may na-lecturan, dili. Okay, bulos-bulos lang mo tulo kay para dili ma-unfair. Kung online, pero kung face to face, tulog yun mo ma-lecturan. Pero kung online, isa lang, okay? Kay sayang ra pud sa time. No? Pwede naman ninyo tan-awon afterwards. Okay? So what you are going to do tonight, after this lecture, you answer that Google Classroom na activity for your attendance, no? And for your attendance and recitation. Naka-record naman kasi to, so makikita ko kung sino yung nandito or wala. And for the recitation, you answer it, no? Do not forget to turn in. Okay, yung iba hanggang submit lang or hanggang upload lang hindi na turn in. So late pa rin. Okay? So dapat after upload, turn in. Okay? So after 12 midnight, kung wala mo naka-upload, dili na mo makascore because hangtod 12 midnight lang siya or 11:59. Okay? So sige, you have still plenty of time, no? You have 8 hours pa or 7 hours. So if you don't have any more questions, I will cater your questions tomorrow because I need to prepare for my interview, no? And tomorrow we will have our first post-test after the lecture on epithelial tissue. Okay? So you study about epithelial tissue, ha? So ang quiz tomorrow is 50 items. Okay? So sige, if you don't have any more concerns, we will call it a day for this evening. Okay? Goodbye everybody and ingat. Yes, Vina.
Doc, good afternoon po.
Yes.
Makishare lang po ako na Doc.
Kinsa man kaday?
Kiyang patani po.
Okay, sige. Yes, Formentera.
Good afternoon po, Doc. Ikaw ba gihapon po mag-provide atong sa zip grade po or kami lang mag-pray?
Na-attach dito. Ma-attach dito ugma. Okay.
Thank you
Sige.
po.
Goodbye everybody and ingat mo pa adto sa school. Yes, napay issue, napay concern ni si ano? Delgado? Wala na? Okay, sige. If wala na, okay. Goodbye everybody. See you tomorrow.
Bye, Doc.
Bye, Doc.
Bye, Doc.
Bye-bye, bye-bye.
Bye, Doc.